With multiple active tools of the same type in operation, some additional traffic handling situations are possible. There is a configuration called minimum healthy, which specifies how many tools in the group must be operational in order for the tool group to be up. In this example, the minimum healthy configuration is 3, with 4 active tools and 1 passive standby. If a single tool fails or is taken out of service, then all of the traffic from the missing tool would be redirected to the passive standby tool, and no change in inspection capacity would take place. There are now 4 active tools and no passive standby available. If a second tool failed, then there would be 3 active tools. Since the number of active tools still meets the minimum healthy setting of 3, then traffic would be automatically redistributed across the remaining active tools so that all packets are still inspected. If a third tool failed, then only 2 active tools would be present. The minimum healthy setting is 3, indicating that the engineer who configured this deployment determined that at least 3 inline tools were needed to properly inspect the traffic. Now that fewer tools are still active, this minimum healthy requirement is not met. At this time, the configured failover action for this inline tool group would be taken, such as forcing the production link down so that the network will fail over to an alternate path using HSRP or other high availability protocol. As long as the minimum healthy requirement is met, when the missing inline tool, replaced with the spare inline tool, recovers, the release spare if possible parameter determines if the recovering inline tool is restored to the active set of inline tools or if it becomes the new spare inline tool. For some networks, it is preferred that any failover recovery take place by manual command during a maintenance window.